Welcome back. Today we are diving into the kitchen, one of the best places to learn English. In this video, you'll discover useful kitchen vocabulary that you can use every single day. So grab your spoon, turn on your curiosity, and let's explore the words you need to cook, talk, and understand everything in the kitchen. Let's get started. Spoon. I need a spoon to stir my coffee. To stir means to mix something by moving it around with a spoon or a similar tool. Fork. She picked up the salad with a fork. 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 Knife. Be careful with that sharp knife. 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 Plate. Plate. Please put the pasta on the plate. Plate. Bowl. Bowl. I had cereal in a bowl this morning. Bowl. Cup. Cup. He drank a cup of tea. Cup. Glass. Glass. Pour the juice into the glass. Glass. Mug. Mug. I always use my favorite mug for coffee. Mug. Teapot. Teapot. The teapot is full of hot tea. Teapot. Kettle. The kettle is boiling. Kettle. Kettle. Frying pan. Frying pan. She fried the eggs in a frying pan. Frying pan. Saucepan. Saucepan. Boil the soup in the saucepan. Saucepan. Pot. Pot. The pot is on the stove. Pot. Lid. Lid. Put the lid on the pot. Lid. Spatula. Spatula. Use a spatula to flip the pancakes. Spatula. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Stir the sauce with a wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Whisk. Whisk. Whisk the eggs until smooth. Whisk. Tongs. Tongs. Grab the meat with the tongs. Tongs. Ladle. Ladle. She served the soup with a ladle. Ladle. Peeler. Peeler. Use a peeler to peel the potatoes. Peeler. Grater. Grater. I grated some cheese for the pizza. Grater. Cutting board. Cutting board. Don't cut on the table. Use a cutting board. Cutting board. Colander. Colander. Drain the pasta in the colander. Colander. Strainer. Strainer. Pour the juice through a strainer. Strainer. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Roll the dough with a rolling pin. Roll the dough with a rolling pin. Rolling pin. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Add 1 measuring cup of milk. Measuring cup. Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon. Use a measuring spoon for the sugar. Measuring spoon. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Mix the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Baking tray. Baking tray. Place the cookies on the baking tray. Baking tray. Baking dish. Baking dish. Put the lasagna in a baking dish. Baking dish. Oven mitt. Oven mitt. Wear an oven mitt to take out the cake. Oven mitt. You can also say oven glove. Oven glove. Apron. Apron. She wore an apron while cooking. Apron. Blender. Blender. Blend the fruits in the blender. Blender. Food processor. Food processor. Chop the nuts in the food processor. Food processor. Toaster. Toaster. I toasted some bread in the toaster. Toaster. Microwave. Microwave. Heat the food in the microwave. Microwave. Oven. Oven. The cake is baking in the oven. Oven. Stove. Stove. Cook the rice on the stove. Stove. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Be careful with the pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. I cooked rice in the rice cooker. Rice cooker. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. The coffee maker is on the counter. Coffee maker. Juicer. Juicer. I made orange juice with the juicer. Juicer. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Can you pass me the bottle opener? Bottle opener. Can opener. Can opener. I can't open this can without a can opener. Can opener. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. He used the corkscrew to open the wine. Corkscrew. Ice tray. Ice tray. Fill the ice tray with water. Ice tray. Ice bucket. Ice bucket. The ice bucket is on the table. Ice bucket. Pitcher. Pitcher. She poured lemonade into the pitcher. Pitcher. Tray. Tray. Serve the drinks on a tray. Tray. Serving spoon. Serving spoon. Use a serving spoon for the rice. Serving spoon. Soup bowl. Soup bowl. I had tomato soup in a soup bowl. Soup bowl. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. I can't use chopsticks very well. Chopsticks. Napkin. Napkin. Don't forget to take a napkin. Napkin. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. The tablecloth is white with flowers. Tablecloth. Coaster. Coaster. Put your drink on the coaster. Coaster. Placemat. Placemat. Each person has a placemat. Placemat. Dish rack. Dish rack. The dishes are drying in the dish rack. Dish rack. Sink. Sink. Wash the vegetables in the sink. Sink. Faucet. Faucet. Turn off the faucet, please. Faucet. Sponge. Sponge. Clean the dishes with a sponge. Sponge. Dish soap. Dish soap. We need more dish soap. Dish soap. Trash can. Trash can. Throw it in the trash can. Trash can. Recycling bin. Recycling bin. Put the bottles in the recycling bin. Recycling bin. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. Cover the food with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. Plastic wrap. Plastic wrap. Wrap the leftovers in plastic wrap. Plastic wrap. Baking paper. Baking paper. Line the tray with baking paper. Baking paper. Kitchen timer. Kitchen timer. Set the kitchen timer for 10 minutes. Kitchen timer. Thermometer. Thermometer. Check the meat with a thermometer. Thermometer. Salt shaker. Salt shaker. Pass me the salt shaker, please. Salt shaker. Pepper grinder. Pepper grinder. I love fresh pepper from the grinder. Pepper grinder. Spice rack. Spice rack. The spice rack is full of jars. Spice rack. Storage jar. Storage jar. Store the cookies in a storage jar. Storage jar. Container. Container. Keep the rice in a container. Container. Lunchbox. Lunchbox. I take my lunchbox to work. Lunchbox. Knife block. Knife block. The knives are in the knife block. Knife block. Cutting mat. Cutting mat. Use the cutting mat to protect the counter. Cutting mat. Food scale. Food scale. Weigh the flour on the food scale. Food scale. Egg beater. Egg beater. Beat the eggs with an egg beater. Egg beater. Sieve. Sieve. Sift the flour through a sieve. Sieve. Funnel. Funnel. Pour the oil through a funnel. Funnel. Skimmer. Skimmer. Use a skimmer to remove the foam. Skimmer. Slotted spoon. Slotted spoon. Take out the pasta with a slotted spoon. Slotted spoon. Butter dish. Butter dish. The butter dish is in the fridge. Butter dish. Sugar bowl. Sugar bowl. Put the sugar in the sugar bowl. Sugar bowl. Cake stand. Cake stand. The cake looks pretty on the cake stand. Cake stand. Cupcake tray. Cupcake tray. Bake the cupcakes in the cupcake tray. Cupcake tray. Ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop. I used an ice cream scoop for dessert. Ice cream scoop. Pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. Cut the pizza with the pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. Meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. He heat the steak with a meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. Garlic press. Garlic press. Crush the garlic with a garlic press. Garlic press. Lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Use the lemon squeezer for fresh juice. Lemon squeezer. Rolling mat. Rolling mat. Roll the sushi on the rolling mat. Rolling mat. Pastry brush. Pastry brush. Brush the pie with a pastry brush. Pastry brush. Kitchen scissors. Kitchen scissors. Cut the herbs with a kitchen scissors. Kitchen scissors. Cleaver. Cleaver. The butcher used a cleaver. Cleaver. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Grind the spice in the mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Wok. Wok. Stir fry the vegetables in a wok. Wok. Griddle. Griddle. Cook the pancakes on the griddle. Griddle. Dutch oven. Dutch oven. The stew is cooking in the Dutch oven. Dutch oven. Steamer. Steamer. Steam the vegetables in the steamer. Steamer.